Hello everyone, how are you? This video we prepared today is really about my wife and my son. They went out together and they do things to have fun, so we want to share that with you. You'll also get to see where they get to pick some fruits and vegetables. Even in our yard we have a small garden, but we still get to grow some things and enjoy them at home. We hope you enjoy too. Farms in Oregon have so much to offer. I wonder what my wife and son are going to find at this farm. It looks like they have a lot of flowers, herbs, vegetables, fruits, and a lot of garden decorations. Oh, I wonder what they're going to buy today. Well, after they look around the inside of the shop, it's time to look around outside. The colors are so beautiful and the flowers are in full bloom. But what they came for were the strawberries. Strawberries in Oregon are known for being so delicious, and this farm didn't disappoint. Let's see if he finds some strawberries out in this wide open space on this farm. There are a few other customers picking. What's great is that you can go and pick them yourselves. Look! It's a ripe strawberry. It looks so yummy. I think he found the jackpot. It's great that my son can help pick the strawberries, but how many strawberries are they going to pick? But knowing my wife, she loves strawberries, and of course she wants a lot. Not only did they pick strawberries, but they also picked raspberries. These beautiful little red berries are called raspberries. Yes, a visit to the farm means strawberries, raspberries, and so much more. There are many different fruits. Rainier cherries are so delicious, and many vegetables for sale. After visiting the farm, it was time to come back home and check our own garden. What is ready to eat in our garden?
They showed me 2 days ago.
What? This is a Japanese cucumber. It's gotten big.
Even at our home, we can grow a few vegetables. It's great.
Saburo, don't eat it. It's not a cat food. Where?
これ
Oh my gosh, that's huge.
Actually, it's not that big.
No, it's big enough. Let's eat it.
Yes, the zucchini is big enough, but these tomatoes are not. They're still green. How about the plums? Almost. Oh, I love the roses in full bloom. Whenever we do anything in the yard, our cats get so excited and want to be with us. We have a family of 5 cats. Oh, Hanako is the grandma. Oh, and here is Sakura, the daughter, and her son Junior. And I see Saburo. But are we missing Grandpa? Where is Grandpa?
Sleeping?
Oh, he must be sleeping somewhere. Staying safe and staying away from crowds is the best thing to do right now. So with a few vegetables, my son Jay decided to make some dinner. Wow, that's great. And you know, we often make Japanese food at our home, so I wonder how his Japanese meal turned out. What do you think? Does it look good? I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure not to miss the next one. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. See you later. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos and improve your English listening skills and vocabulary, then check these videos out too. See you again soon.